What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Before you leave, do not forget to like this video and to subscribe so you never miss another video from your girl again. This video is super exciting because I have a new company to share with you guys that have the cutest clothes and accessories ever, as well as a company that I showed you guys like a long time ago, but I haven't mentioned them in a video in quite some time, like probably over a year and a half. So if you guys want to see some of the stuff that I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the new company that I'm just dying to share with you guys because their stuff is so cute. The company's name is alllll, and they are a boutique based out of Oregon, but they do have an online shop as well. They sell everything from clothing to shoes to bags to jewelry. They even sell like super cute gifts that I'm like obsessed with. I'll insert a few pictures here so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, but I am obsessed with their stuff. I will have everything that I'm talking about today linked in the description box below, as well as a coupon code for you guys to get 10% off of your purchase. When I ordered through them, I was a little bit nervous because when I hear boutique, I instantly picture all their clothing being super small, but that was not the case at all. I ordered 2 tops, a purse, and 3 pieces of jewelry from them, and I'm obsessed with everything. The first top that I got in a size extra large, and it's just a basic camo top. It's a V-neck, and I really liked this one because of the cut of the bottom, how it kind of curves like that, and it is a longer top. Sometimes I'm in the mood for a little bit of a crop top, and sometimes I want a longer top, so if I'm wearing leggings or yoga pants, it covers my butt. So this is, like I said, it's a 1X, definitely true to size. If not, maybe even a little bit bigger than a typical 1X. This top seems to be super well made. The material is very, very stretchy, and I love, love, love this shirt. The next top that I picked out was a floral one, and I figured this would be absolutely perfect for work. This is in an extra large, and it is this really pretty V-neck black floral top. Once again, it has that like cut where it kind of curves like that, which I really love, especially for work. I am a teacher, for those of you guys who don't know, and I just feel like this shirt will be perfect. This is an extra large, and I almost feel like I could have sized down a little bit, but I mean, for work, I don't really, I guess, want things to be super tight. This will just be more of a flowy fit that I'll wear with some tighter black pants. So I think this is super, super pretty. Once again, really well made and a super stretchy material. The next thing I got kind of goes along with that teacher theme. I'm obsessed with anything teacher themed because it's like I'm a proud teacher. It's like, let me have my moment, am I right? So there were 3 sets of studs online that I thought were adorable that were teacher related. They had little pencil studs that were the cutest things in the world. They had little like white pieces of binder paper with an A+, and then they had these cute, cute, cute little red apples, and I just think it's so dainty, so cute, and it's like really well made, like I said. So these had to be mine. I cannot wait to rock these. The next piece of jewelry that I got are another set of earrings. I thought these were so pretty. I'm really trying to branch out with my earring game because I always just wear like super basic studs, and I really want to branch out, and this is like that perfect in between like a stud and like a full-on like dangly earring. Look at how pretty these are, you guys. They are gold with black, like an iridescent white and gray little stripe, and I just thought these were the prettiest things ever. The next piece of jewelry that I got also came in a box, like I said, and they taped the sides as well so the box doesn't come undone. So I've been really into like the turquoise jewelry look lately. I have a turquoise ring that my boyfriend bought me, and I wanted a necklace to kind of go with it. So I saw this one on the site, and I thought it would be really cute with like a V-neck top or like a tank top that and you're wearing a cardigan, like just like a boho look. It's this gold layered necklace, and it has that turquoise the turquoise accents, and I just thought it was so beautiful, and it had to be mine. Like, I love a good layered necklace, especially with like a v-neck top. So I'm really, really, really excited to wear this. The last thing I got from alllll is actually a purse, and I'm so excited for this bag, you guys. I have been wanting a circular purse for the longest time, and I always go for black, so I wanted to switch it up, and I got this really pretty like tan oatmeal colored bag. It says it's the basket weave round crossbody bag. It has this really pretty tassel detail on the side. It has gold hardware, so a gold zipper. You can take the straps off if you wanted to. This is what the back looks like. It has just this little section here if you wanted to like put some gum or your phone or something. And then when you open up the bag, it has a tan interior, and it does have another pocket. You guys, this bag is so well made. I cannot get over it. I feel like this is something you shouldn't have to think about, but as a plus size girl, I have to think about it, is when it says it's a crossbody bag, are the straps adjustable? Like, this has a buckle, so you can make it longer, you can make it shorter in case you do want to legit wear it across your body. Like, this is such a long strap that you'll be able to do so even as a plus size person. Or if you just wanted to wear it on your shoulder, it's a really good length, but like I said, I can shorten it if I want to. So I like that it's very versatile in that sense, that you can, you know, kind of make it longer or shorter, or you could even take the straps off altogether and maybe have like a circular clutch. I have no idea why you would want to do that, but maybe you want to. If you guys are interested in alllll, like I said, I will have a link down below where you guys can click and shop the individual items that I talked about, but I'll also have a link to the website as well if you want to shop for other things. Their little gift section is what dreams are made of. So definitely go check that out down below. Like I said, you will get 10% off. Okay, the next place that I got items from is BOOHOO. BOOHOO. You guys already know I love BOOHOO. I've had so many hauls on the channel. I placed an order a couple weeks ago. You guys, shipping took a long time this time. What is going on? First of all, BOOHOO used to have, if you spend over a certain amount, you get free shipping, and now I don't think they do that anymore, which is slightly irritating if you ask me. But that's okay because their stuff is so affordable anyway. But also, I usually get the shipment within a week. I know they're a UK-based brand, but like, it took a good 2 weeks. I really wanted this stuff before my birthday, and I did not get it in time, but that's okay. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. The first thing I got is a repeat item of something that I got in my last haul, but I just got it in a size smaller because I did order it, I think last time, in an 18. So I reordered this dress in a 16, and I'm obsessed, you guys, with a white, like, skin tight shirt underneath. This dress is everything. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking stoked. So I reordered this dress. I also thought this top was super pretty. I know it's probably a little bit more of a fall type of shirt, but I'm just like 24/7 fall up in here. 24/7. Like, summer, it's too hot. You know what I mean? It's way too hot. Like, I love a good crisp fall night when you can like get a little bit dressed up, go out on a date night. Like, that's just the dream. So I got this top, and it is in a size 16, and it's a silky material leopard button-up top. And on the model, it looked super cute, so I was like, I'm gonna give that a shot because I think it would be really pretty with either some black jeans or like a dark wash denim, and you tuck the front part into that denim, and then you have a cool belt showing, which I actually got a couple belts that I'm about to show you next. But yeah, this is not a stretchy material whatsoever, and I'm actually hoping it fits because I haven't tried it on yet. I just think it's so flippin' cute, and I have some good ideas of how I can style it. Okay, so speaking of belts, they had some cute belts in the plus size section, so I for sure placed an order. Whenever I see belts in the plus size section of BOOHOO, I always order them because it's not too often that they do have them, and when they do, they go out of stock super quickly. So the first belt is this black one, and it kind of has like that crocodile imprint on it, and the belt buckle part just looks like this. It's just 2 gold circles. I thought it was super pretty, and this is like a thicker belt. And then the second belt, I would say, is a little bit thinner. It's still kind of thick, but it's a little bit thinner, and it's just a plain black, and then it just has 1 gold circle here on the front. And once again, thought that was super, super cute. The last thing I got from Boohoo is a pair of shoes, and they are some sandals, and they are kind of like chunky sandals. I think they're so cute. They're actually pretty like lightweight. I thought they'd be a lot heavier. I think my sister has these and I see her wearing them and I just think they're so cute. I'm not sure if they're the exact ones she has, but I just really love them. And I got these in a size 10. I almost moved on to the next place I ordered stuff from, but I forgot. This top that I'm wearing is also from Boohoo. It's just a black like basic t-shirt and it's kind of a thinner material. It's like for sure like comfy. It's not that super thick, uncomfortable like men's t-shirt material. Like it's for sure breathable, but not see-through, if that makes sense. And then over on the side it has a little moon and a star in gold. I just thought it was super cute, super basic. You can wear it just like this, or you can roll up the sleeves and tie it up to be a little crop top. I love it. All right, you guys, now moving on to Dia & Co. Let's take a quick moment to talk about being plus size and finding jeans. I have the most difficult time finding bottoms. Like, it's just a known fact. I am bigger on the bottom than I am on the top. I have big ol' hips, big ol' thighs, a big ol' booty, and I'm not gonna say my waist is small by any means, but it's for sure smaller than the rest of my body. Like, I'm a 16, but I feel like I'm a size 14 like in the waist. So it's a legitimate nightmare to find bottoms that fit well, especially jeans. You guys know, if you've been around for a while, that I'm obsessed with the Rockstar jeans from Old Navy, but the ones that do not button or like have a zipper. They almost look like maternity pants, but they're jean material, they're stretchy, and they fit so well. However, there's always a but. I have to like pull my legs up all the time. My boyfriend makes fun of me for it because I'm constantly like pulling up the legs because I feel like it doesn't hold me as well as it should in the waist. And it's also a bummer because sometimes I want to wear a cute little crop top with a belt and I can't because there's no belt little hoops or belt loops or whatever. It's very frustrating. Plus it's like, they kind of look like maternity pants up top, so I almost don't even want to show that upper band. So it's just a little like, there's for sure pros, but also some cons, you know what I mean? So I just kind of gave up on the jeans hunt. I just have never really found like the perfect pair of jeans. Like Torrid's jeans are probably the closest, but there's just still something about them that just don't sit right with me. Like, I don't know. Maybe I just haven't tried the right ones or what. So I got 2 new pairs of jeans from Dia & Company, and when they said they were sending them out, like honestly my hopes were not too high just because of all of the jeans experiences I've ever had in my life. They've just really turned me off to jeans. So they sent me one in a size 16, and these are dark washed, and then one in a size 14 just to see like what size I was, which pair would like fit me best. And these are, the 14s are like a lighter wash. So I tried the 16s on, and by the way, it's from the brand Molly and Isadora. These are 16 ankle skinny jeans. I tried them on and I'm not joking, you guys, like I wanted to cry. Like, I have never in my life had a pair of jeans that fit so well and that are so comfortable. They're stretchy, they're like the perfect wash for me. They come up high-waisted just like I like them. They actually button and have belt loops, and they fit me perfectly around the waist, perfectly in the butt hip area, perfectly in the thighs, perfectly in the ankles. They're the perfect length. Like, if you have bigger legs, hips, butt, and a smaller waist, you guys have got to try these jeans. Unbelievable. I'm one of those people, and I need to be better about it, that really only share like the bad experiences I have when I email companies. Like, if I'm emailing you and you're a company, it's because I had an issue with the order or I want to return something. But I need to start being better about reaching out when something is just so unreal amazing. That I started with Dia & Co. I emailed them immediately, and I seriously was telling them like, I've never had a pair of jeans fit me so well and that are so comfortable, and it makes me feel so good because now I have an option for jeans. Like, I never wanted to wear jeans before because of how uncomfortable they were, but You guys, I'm telling you, Molly and Isadora from Dia & Co. You guys have got to try it out. Speaking of Dia & Co, in case you guys don't know or you've never heard of them, it's like a monthly service where a stylist picks out a certain amount of pieces. You guys can pick your plans, picks out a certain amount of pieces and sends them to your door every single month. You keep what you want, send back what you don't. Easy as that. Well, now they have a new like shop now option where you can pick 3 items and let the stylist pick only 2 to kind of complement what you picked. So that's your opportunity to get these jeans. You guys can pick these jeans, get them in every wash that they have because they're unreal. I'm not joking you. I'm getting on and ordering like every flippin' wash they have. Okay, the last thing I wanted to share with you is the Pinch Me box. I have not gotten a box from Pinch Me. This is the company I was telling you about for probably a year and a half. I actually kind of forgot that they existed. Pinch Me is where you can get a box of free samples. That's right, for free. All you do is get on, make an account. You're not guaranteed like a box every single month, but when they do pick you, you get a box of free stuff. Like, why not sign up? So I wanted to share what I got in my Pinch Me box. I think this was actually from last month. Right off the top, I see some stickers. Cool. These are from Eva NYC. And I think that's just telling me what I got in it. So this little like flyer pretty much explains how Pinch Me works. You go to pinchme.com and you sign up. Once a month you'll get an email with when free samples are available for you to claim. All you have to do is provide your honest feedback to be able to claim more. So it's just free products, like why not? So this is what my box looks like. And I got 4 products in total, all of them from Eva NYC, which this is actually really weird because usually the sample boxes, you get like a bunch of random stuff from different products. Like you might get a granola bar and like a sponge and a makeup product. Like you get a bunch of random stuff, but this all seems to be hair care products from the same brand. So I don't know if this is something new or what, but I figured I would show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I see is this Eva NYC Tone It Down Blonde Leave-In Foam. So it's argan oil and violet pigment. So for me, because I have blonde hair, I use a purple shampoo, which just like brightens my blonde. So I'm guessing this is what this does as well. It's like a foam toner, which is pretty cool. Shake can, hold upside down, dispense into palm, distribute evenly through damp hair, and then style. So it's pretty much just like a mousse, but it also tones your hair at the same time. I got a full size and also a travel size, so that's flippin' amazing. I am obsessed with travel size things. Fun fact, because I have like a whole tub up in my closet with nothing but travel size stuff, whether it's hair care or soap or makeup products or like lotions or sunscreens. I just have an entire thing of travel size products, so that way when it's time to travel, I just go to the bin and pick everything out that I need and I'm good to go. The next thing that I got is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, another little travel size, so flippin' cute, can't wait. I'm gonna put it in my little bucket. It says it's infused with argan oil and sunflower seed butter to give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. It detangles, nourishes, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time. That's what I need to cut drying time. Protects, it's like a heat protectant, reduces frizz. So it does 10 things. I have never tried it before. I do want to smell it though. Ooh, that smells so good. And then the last thing, ooh, I'm excited about this. Eva NYC Queen, Kween, glitter spray. Radiant Shimmer Instant Party for hair and body. So it's like a shimmer spray for your hair and body. How cool is that? Perfect for summertime. I'm so excited. Also, travel size. So that is what I got for my Pinch Me box. The great thing that I love about Pinch Me is you do not have to enter any credit card information at all. You just sign up for the free account and claim your free stuff when that opportunity arises. So if you guys do want to sign up for it, I will leave all of the info in the description box below. Go get you some free goodies, girl. So that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.